When all goes well, truffles are rounded up into batches and exported all over the world to people like Marina. 20 years into his career, he's now one of the largest truffle merchants in the US. He says his company, Euro Mushrooms, imports around 40,000 pounds of truffles into the US every year. In underground truffle circles, he is known as the Kingpin. Chef Jason McKinney still remembers the parking lot in Northern California, where he first met Basart Marina, aka the Kingpin.
He was in sweatpants, right? Thick accent. And I was like, is this guy legit or not legit? What am I doing? And I was like, do you have any truffles? He's like,
Sure. So how much do you need, Jason?
we go out to his brand new Range Rover, and I swear to God, he pulled out $250,000 worth of truffles. I was just in disbelief.
And he looks at them. He looks at me. He looks at them. He looks at me. He goes, oh, you have truffles? Yeah, we do.
This kind of back alley secretive deal making is pretty standard in the truffle business.
It can be pretty intense, and the industry is very similar to the narcotics industry, where most sales are done by text messages late at night. You show up with a gram scale to weigh everything out on.